Hello there, and welcome to the third installment of our proof series. For this one, I'm going to need a kite. I'm drawing the picture with step 1. Step 2 is going to be to label the known parts. I'm dealing with a kite, so those two top ones are congruent, and these two bottom ones are congruent. Now I'm looking at a major diagonal, and I want the one that's an angle bisector. So the major diagonal is this one going down this way. And what we want to show is that this diagonal bisects this angle up here. It's also going to bisect the angle down here. So we need to show that this portion of the angle, ABD, is congruent to this portion, CBD. And I'm going to need two triangles that allow me to do that, so I'm going to shade them. There is a triangle that uses angle ABD, the yellow one, and this pink one uses the angle CBD. Okay, I'm going to set up the basic structure for our proof. I was actually misspoken in some of the previous videos. In this spaceship, the octagon is out in front. This is the destination. This is going to be where we stop. And this one's the body of the ship, the circle. Okay, so I'm going to write this goal. This is the goal, so I'm going to put that down there. And that goal needs to use two congruent triangles, this yellow one and this pink one. So I'm going to put that in here. Got to be mindful that you get the order there. We're going ABD, A matches to C, so CBD. And I need to look for what my driving mechanism is. I don't know any of the angles here. I know this side and this side. I know this side and this side. And this side, BD, that's shared by both of them. So it looks like this is going to be a side, side, side argument. And I'm just going to start writing that over here. So you got to make sure that you justify it. I know these top two by definition of a kite. This one was shared, that's the reflexive property. And these two by definition of a kite. And so I got side, side, side. That's my justification here. And then this part's all going to flow into that angle ABD, so that's this one. That angle is congruent to CBD because they are the corresponding parts of these two congruent triangles, so they have to be congruent. The yellow triangle is congruent to the pink, and they're the parts that match up. Suppose we could also get the fact that this angle down here, CDB, is congruent to ADB for the same reason. And all of this is going to flow into my conclusion here, that this diagonal BD bisects the big angle B and bisects the big angle D. Character and scholarship for life.